I think that's something to be proud of. Hello, friends. Today we have a 2008 Buick Lucerne. But I'm not going to do an interior on it today. What we want to do, we're going to polish this out, or at least see what we can do with it. As you can see, it's pretty rough, but then you come down here and it's pretty good. This is not bad, but that is. So it's obviously sun damage. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna do a couple test spots on each one and make sure we're not burning through the paint. But let's do a little bit of rinseless on it first. Here's what we got. When I saw that I wasn't taking any paint off over here, I went ahead and went forward. Now what I used was the Nazio Heavy Cut. It's the Clear Rub 105. And then I came back and finished it off with some Gold Standard by DIY Detail. And it looks really decent. I mean, compared to what it was, which is that. That's pretty good. Is it perfect? Oh, heck no. But it sure looks better than that. Okay, dust and all, it's looking much better. This is all dust. I'm gonna blow the car off and then do a rinseless when I'm done. All I have left now is the hood. And I have about an hour and a half and then I gotta call it a day. So we'll see how it goes. Whew, that was a long day, but we got it. Look at that. It's looking much, much better. So is that. And guess what? Looks like I did okay on my own on the exterior. I think that's something to be proud of. Have a good day, everybody.